Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you like and subscribe to this video. Today I've been so emotional because of this video I found on the internet, and I wanted to show you guys. I want you to share this with your friends to promote the awareness that these children also needs to be loved. Enjoy the video.
Sing it one last time for you, then we really have to go. You've been the only thing that's right in all I've done, and I can barely but every single time I do, I know we'll make it anywhere away from here. Light up, as if you have a choice. Even if you cannot hear my voice, I'll be right beside you, dear. To think I might not see those signs makes it so hard not to cry. And as we say